Hey guys, welcome to my very first YouTube channel. I'm really excited to start off with my very first video of this channel. So now in this video, I will be covering just basic Algebra 1 equations. They're very simple, and if you know it, you can go ahead and click off, but if you still need to know it, such as this problem, continue watching so that you can learn. Also guys, make sure to drop a like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure to comment if you have any other questions about math that you would like me to answer. Okay, so I'm just going to start off with this one here. -3 plus 2x is equal to 11. So now this looks fairly simple, and you would be right because it is. So the first thing that you would need to do is first add 3 to both sides. And we would be adding 3 to both sides to isolate our x variable, because that is ultimately what we want to do. So when we do that, we get 2x is equal to 14. And so now we need to find x just by itself. So we do that by dividing by 2. And we get x is equal to 7. Okay. So our next problem is 4x plus 6 is equal to -10. So just like the last one, we need to isolate this x variable. So we first do that by bringing the whole numbers to one side. And we're going to do that by first subtracting 6. And we get 4x is equal to -16. And so now we need to find just x by itself. So we divide by 4. And we get x is equal to -4. Okay. Our next problem is x plus 9 is equal to 18 minus 2x. So now this one is a little bit trickier from the previous ones. So we need to get the x's on one side and the whole numbers on one side. So we're going to start with the x's first. We're going to add 2x to both sides. And now we get 3x plus 9 is equal to 18. Now, like our previous problems, we're going to combine the whole numbers by subtracting 9. And then we get 3x is equal to 9. Okay, so now we need to divide by 3. And we get x is equal to 3. Okay. So now our next problem is 2x plus 6 is equal to 4x minus 2. So just like the previous problem, we need to combine the whole numbers on one side and combine the x's. So we're going to start with the 2 this time. So we're going to add 2, and then we're going to have 2x plus 8 is equal to 4x. Next, we're going to combine the x's. So now we need to divide by 2. And we get x is equal to 4. Okay guys, so this was just some sample problems to get my channel up and running, and I really want to hear back from you guys, and I really need feedback, quite frankly. And my hope is with this channel, I want to make math fun again, so that is why I'm actually wearing the gloves. So the gloves are almost like a representation of the time that we're in currently, which is quarantine, lockdown, whatever you want to call it, due to COVID-19. And that's also what inspired the name of my channel. And I just really want to make math fun, because every time I'm searching for a math problem, because still I sometimes need help, it's never fun. It's always boring and lame, and I just want to make this as enjoyable as possible, guys. And so just let me know your feedback. I really appreciate everything. I really, truly do. And if you did think that this was helpful and you want to support me and my channel, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll catch you next time.